For today video guys, ay tuturuan ko guys kung paano nyo makita guys ang mga subscriber nyo guys dito guys sa YouTube guys. At wala na patumpik-tumpik guys. Ito na po guys. Ang first step po guys, punta lang tayo sa Chrome guys. Ayan guys, oh, Chrome guys. Tapos guys, i-search nyo guys tong YouTube Studio. Ito guys, pindutin natin. Guys, pakapunta na dito guys. Pindutin nito guys, oh. YouTube Studio guys. Yan guys. Pindutin natin yan guys. Once na nandito na kayo guys, dito guys, challenge nito guys. Pindutin nyo to guys na sign dollar na to guys. Ito guys, oh. So, nakita nyo guys, subscribers ko guys. Kakasimula ko pa lang guys, oh. Kita nyo guys. Wala pa akong subscriber guys. Sana guys, mag-subscribe na kayo guys sa channel ko guys. Parang awa nyo guys, oh. Tingnan nyo guys, oh. Wala pa yung kahit isa guys, oh. 0 pa lang guys. Yun lang po guys. Comment for more video.